Wisconsin Southern. I'm at the yard right now. I hear a horn over there. So I'm gonna get back to you when I see it. Turns out it's a Union Pacific. It's gonna be coming to the yard. Didn't know they operated over here. It's a manifest. It's a manifest. I don't think I've seen this one yet. Thought it was a Wisconsin Southern for a second. We're getting a bridge right there. We're gonna get a bridge shot in Union Pacific. Haven't gotten that in a while. Here she comes. Canadian Sinks trying to buy off the shop, but that's the end.